Manipal University is a private institution which has received an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's find out more about its MTech program and its detailed review. Starting right off with the 4.1 rated placements. During the 2023 placements, 264 out of 399 graduating students were placed, with 4 opting for higher studies, giving a placement rate of 65%. Compared to the previous year, the placement rate has not shown any improvement. According to the student reviews, top recruiters included Tata, Wipro, Oracle, EY, Flipkart, Philips, Amazon, Intel, Texas Instruments, and L&T. Roles offered were design engineer, verification engineer, test engineer, VLSI engineer, and project manager, among others. The median salary offered was 7.5 lakh per annum, with no significant improvement in the year-on-year trend. Compared to Jaipur campus, we can see that both the campuses are on par when it comes to PG engineering median salary. Regarding internships, 70% of the students secured placements at companies like Samsung, Analog Devices, L&T, and ACC, with stipends ranging from 15,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees as per reviews. Moving on now to the academic offering, which is rated 4.1 for the MTech program. Mahe Manipal offers a Masters of Technology program through its School of Manipal Institute of Technology across 6 branches and 28 specializations. Admission is based on Manipal entrance test. The total tuition fee for the MTech program ranges between 3.6 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs. Meanwhile, the hostel fees ranges between 1 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees. Looking at the 4.1 rated infrastructure now. Mahe's main campus, located in Manipal, Karnataka, spans 313 acres and offers a range of facilities including Wi-Fi, restaurants, libraries, labs, and digital classrooms. Sports facilities include the Marina Indoor Stadium, which has a gym, jogging track, squash and badminton courts, a swimming pool, playing area for futsal, cricket bowling machine, along with a sauna and steam bath facilities. The campus also provides fully furnished hostels with separate accommodations for boys and girls. Rooms are available in single, dual or triple occupancy with options for AC and non-AC rooms. Hostel amenities include Wi-Fi, night cafes, gyms and a bike farm. Students have rated the mess food positively. Turning to faculty and course, rated 4.2 stars. Faculty members hold strong expertise in their fields and are approachable. Students report that the course curriculum provides both theoretical and practical knowledge, making it industry-oriented. The campus also hosts regular workshops, conferences, and seminars. Additionally, the Practice School program allows students to gain practical industry experience during their final semester, working on live projects as part of the industry teams for 4 to 6 months. Now let's move on to the 4.1 rated campus life. The campus life at Manipal University includes cultural clubs for fine arts, music, dance, and theatre. The university hosts numerous events throughout the year, including the annual Cultural Fest Utsav, Spike Mackay, and the mega event featuring celebrity performances. In the NIRF 2024 rankings, Manipal Institute of Technology is ranked 56th in the engineering category, improving from 61st last year. For more details on Mahe Manipal and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.